Even if you already have a powerful amp or don't currently have the funds to purchase a suitable amp for your electric guitars, the Fender Frontman 10g is the ideal amp for use as a practice amp. For speedy guitar progress, it's a good idea to own equipment that inspires you to grow. A cheap, portable modeling amp is the Fender Frontman 10g. It is also one of the most straightforward amps available, allowing you to concentrate on your craft without being sidetracked by effects. A powerful practice amp with great sound for guitarists is the Fender Frontman 10g. Although it lacks in the effects department, it nevertheless works well for musicians at the novice and intermediate levels who want an amp without too many features to be bothersome. In the music industry, Fender has a long history of producing high-quality guitars and amplifiers. The company first produced amplifiers in 1940, and since then it has earned a reputation for producing high-quality amplifiers that are both affordable and adaptable. The brand is proud of its great solid-state amps, which include the Tweed and Twin Reverb from Fender. Fender also produces recognizable ranges of amplifiers with the black, brown, and silver faces logos. The Frontman is a closed-back amp that is modest in size and has 10 watts of power, which is more than enough for short rehearsals and practice sessions. A 6th speaker is housed in the chamber behind the mesh. The Frontman 10g adopts a fashionable design that is reminiscent of the vintage blackface style in terms of appearance. The 10-watt amp has a stylish Mdf cabinet and is well built. Guitars can be plugged into its typical quarter-inch jack input. I think it's great that the Frontman amp can play bass, and it would be especially useful in bands where the bass player frequently forgets to bring their gear. This is perfect for both holidays and short excursions because of its 28*26 cm size and lightweight 3.8 kg. Fitting into confined locations is made easier by the compact, lightweight construction. One feature of the Frontman 10g that I really appreciate is that it comes with a power cord that is already attached to the amp's body, eliminating the need for a separate power adapter. You won't have to worry about it getting tangled because it also has a hook. This is gain and volume knobs that function as their names would imply. Turning the gain counterclockwise produces a clearer, less distorted sound, while turning it clockwise causes more distortion. This is a 2-band EQ, which is a wonderful feature. Some amplifiers don't even have controls for bass and mid-range adjustments. I do appreciate the versatility that a mid-control knob offers, but asking for that from a cheap modeling amp seems unreasonable. You can plug headphones into the 1x8-inch headphone jack input to practice quietly. The Frontman 10g amp also features an aux port, allowing you to connect your phone and use it as a speaker by playing music from it. The Fender amplifier comes with a molded plastic strap that makes carrying it around very simple. You should look into this amp if you enjoy wireless amplifiers and would want a cheap amplifier that doesn't require connections. However, the Frontman 10g lacks a memory bank, so you'll have to manually enter the desired settings. It is a step above the typical guitar amp models on the market thanks to these features. When it comes to the sound of combo amps, the Frontman 10g boasts a good clean tone and some unique distorted noises. You will enjoy utilizing this Fender amp with a little reverb if you appreciate the clean sound with a lot of power. Although tube amps won't give you the precise sound, they will get close. Despite the fact that you may potentially plug your bass guitars into this, there isn't much bass in the sound output, so please keep that in mind. Therefore, I suggest that you use this solely with electric guitars. The Fender amp has 2 channels despite its small size, a clear clean channel and an OD channel. This amp is suitable for both string chugging and clean, crisp voicings, depending on your preferences. The Fender solid-state amp is a cool, battery-powered, portable amp for guitarists that is loud enough for outdoor performances. For those who don't need all the frills of contemporary modeling amps, the Frontman 10g is a straightforward modeling amp. It is portable, simple to use, and all-around a superb amp for someone who prefers the straightforward design of guitar amplifiers. If you want to utilize effects like wah, tremolo, reverb, and delay, you'll need a separate multi-effects pedal, but it comes with a power cord, so you won't need to buy that. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like it if you did. If you're new here, click the subscribe button. Wishing you all the best until the next video.